Alright, today we're test fitting the engine in the Ranger, and it seems like we kind of got it to work. Well, not 100% sure, but we need another right side motor mount. I believe this is from like the convertible Fox body, and this one's from SN95, but we need two right side motor mounts. We're either gonna go to a junkyard or the auto parts to pick one up just to test fit it for now, but it seems like it should work. We have these other motor mounts that we picked up the other day, but they're nice, they're solid motor mounts, but they didn't work. And you know, when we use the left side and the right side and flipped it, we put the right side on the left side and the left side on the right side, and it still doesn't line up. But I think with two of the right side motor mounts it should work. Well, it seems like it's gonna work. We're gonna give that a try and see if we get it to work. And we also, well, once we have the engine on the motor mount, on both motor mounts, we're gonna test fit the transmission and hopefully everything clears. We're still gonna get the S10 tail housing, which the other day we missed out. I guess we couldn't pick it up. Someone had already picked up the whole transmission. We're gonna either bolt up the bell housing and then the transmission, or I don't know.